Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Francisca Aura Eka Putri. Blood Moon. A blood moon is the popular name for a total lunar eclipse, a celestial event where the moon turns a deep, radius color. This phenomenon occurs when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. What causes a blood moon? A blood moon striking color is a result of ray-like scattering, the same scientific principle that makes Earth's sky appear blue and your sunrise and sunset red. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is completely within the Earth's dark shadow, known as the umbre. However, it does disappear from view. Instead, the only sunlight region the moon first passes through Earth's atmosphere. As the sunlight filters through our atmosphere, the shorter blur wavelengths of light are scattered away. The longer red and orange wavelengths pass through. The band refracted and are projected on the moon's surface. This process gives the moon its characteristic crimson glow. The exact shade of red can vary depending on atmospheric conditions, such as the amount of dust, volcanic ash, or clouds in Earth's air. Viewing a blood moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, a blood moon is entirely safe to observe with the naked eye. No special equipment is needed. Though binoculars or a telescope can provide a more detailed view of the lunar surface during the event. The best conditions for viewing are a clear, cloud sky and a location with minimal light pollution. Historical and cultural significance. For centuries before the scientific explanation was widely understood, blood moons were often viewed as omens. Different cultures interpreted the event in various ways, from signs of divine anger to celestial battles. In some historical accounts, like that of Christopher Columbus, knowledge of a coming lunar eclipse was even used to manipulate people. However, today, a blood moon is celebrated as a predictable and beautiful astronomical event, a stunning reminder of the mechanics of your solar system. For centuries, a total lunar eclipse, or blood moon, has been a source of fascination, fear, and wonder, inspiring a rich tapestry of myths and folklore across different cultures. Before modern science offers an explanation for the moon's sudden change in color, people developed stories to make sense of the celestial event, often viewing it as an omen or a supernatural occurrence. The moon under attack. One of the most common myths is that a celestial creature is attacking, or the disbelief often led to ritual designed to scare the monster away and have the moon. Inca, or South America. The Inca believed a lunar eclipse was caused by and eating their most goods, Mamaquilla. The red color was through blood To frighten the jaguar away, people would shout, bang drums, and encourage their dogs to bowl. Chinese. Ancient Chinese culture believed a dragon was beating the moon. To save it, people would make loud noises by banging drums and ringing bells. This belief was so deeply ingrained that in the 19th century, the Chinese Navy would even fire its artillery during a lunar eclipse. Hindu, like India. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu is said to swallow the moon as revenge. Rahu was decapitated by the god Vishnu, but because he had already consumed the nectar of immortality, his head became immortal. During an eclipse, his head devours the moon, but since he has no body, the moon soon repairs. Omens of misfortune. In many cultures, a blood moon was seen as a bad omen, a sign of impending disaster, war, or famine. Mesopotamians. The ancient Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers and could predict eclipses with some accuracy. They believed a lunar eclipse was an attack on the moon, which was linked to their king. To protect the king from harm, they would hide him and appoint a substitute ruler to face the potential wars of the gods. After the eclipse passed, the real king would resume this position. Biblical prophecy. In Christianity, the blood moon is a term that gained modern popularity from religious practices. Passages in the Old and New Testaments describe the moon turning to blood as a sign of the end times or the great and terrible day of the Lord. Other common superstitions. Many superstition and folk belief persist today, often passed down through the generation despite a lack of scientific evidence. Pregnancy and health. In various cultures, it is believed that a lunar eclipse event can be harmful to pregnant women and their unborn children. Superstitions include avoiding going outdoors, using sharp objects for eating to prevent birth defects or the health problems. Food and water contamination. Some traditions hold that food and water become poisoned or impure during a lunar eclipse and should not be consumed. Bad luck. The event is often linked to general bad luck, misfortune, or natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. While science has explained the beauty of a blood moon, these myths and traditions remain a fascinating part of human history, reflecting our ancestors' attempts to understand and find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you.